everyone. This is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and welcome to the Seasons of Creativity. So honored to be able to bring you this mini album. It's something a little different. I haven't done anything like this. The idea of it came because we were getting ready to celebrate my mother-in-law's 90th birthday, and all four of the kids had their separate stash of photos. And so I wanted to use some of their photos, but I also wanted to be able to display the photos. So the idea of a book with removable pages came out. So you can take the pages and put them up on a mantle or on a table, and then, or just, sit in the living room and chat and pass them around. So let me clear the desk and take you inside and show you what I have. So the album measures 9 by 6 with a 2-inch spine. I wanted it big enough that you could put in 4 by 6 photos. I'm going to show you some ways of using those photos as I show you the pages in the book, and also some ways of using the dies for the photos. So we've got this cover and it's got some chipboard elements and decorative pieces. I also do have the last video of the series does show you how I decorated it. You may or may not want to watch that video. You may just want to decorate it yourself. The first part of the video shows you how I cut most of the items, just so you could get the best cut from the paper. Then, of course, I show you how to put it all together. You have received some of this gorgeous ribbon, and I show you how to use the ribbon so you have a lot left. So the front has an accordion pocket. There were some really great tags, and you can see I used some of the leftover ribbon for the tags, which I just put in here. Now, I did not line these. Those are obviously from the dies, but I do have a photo to show you how the photos look really cool on these arch dies. So it just will go right in that pocket, but you can use the die to cut out the photo. I just cut it out when I use the die. Let me grab a die and show you. When I use the die for the photo, I moved it over a little bit, just about 1/8 of an inch, and then cut it, and then just cut down the side so it would fit inside the black photo mat. Now you don't have to put it inside. You could make it the exact same size of the arch photo mat. So anyhow, that goes back in. I'll put it in this pocket. But isn't that fun? And that goes in there, and then I'll just put these in here. I'm going to take you through the book, and then I'm going to remove the pages. So I also use the decorative scissors on each of the hinges. I elongated the hinge with a tube so the page fits inside. After I decorated it, I used some of the leftover journal cards, cut aparts, and bits and pieces just to decorate that. So here's the other side. We've got the black and white. Here is an extra photo mat here. Now you could, if you wanted to, use a white photo mat or a black photo mat from your stash so people know where to put the pictures. In my case, the pictures were all different sizes. They weren't just 4 by 6, so I didn't worry about that. There are tuck spots on a lot of the pages. So if you had the pictures, you could simply put them in there. Of course, that wouldn't be a good one. We would want to move that one up. Oh, that would work perfect for over here, though, because you still can see that. I think I would crop that. What do you think? So there is that. I also decorated some of these elongated hinges just with some of the extra stickers, and added some of the cut aparts for as a tuck spot. So again, that comes from there and there. Another tuck spot here. Another decorated hinge. There's that squirrel. Put this back in there. And then here's the last page. This, I used powder on the top, so you can use that as a tuck spot or just tuck it below that. And then this pulls, and there's photos in here, so I want to show you that. So in this case, I did not attach this photo, but you could. See what I mean when I say some of the photos are not 4x6? These are, as you can tell, old. And so this photo is 3.5 by 3.5. So they'll fit inside the arch, which is fine. On this one, I did cut some of the paper using the die and added the photo up at the top. So you could do that. Now, in this picture, I just cut the photo using the smaller die. I know there's a shine on here, but anyhow, it opens like that. And it is a nice waterfall with those dies, and that's some ways that you can add the pictures on there. And then the back is pretty simple. And there's the spine, and there we are to the front. Now, to open them, all you have to do, or to pull them out, is just pull them out. Of course, we'll take the cut aparts out. And then you have these for your photos, and these open up, and there's a pocket inside. So we could put the photo right there, or put the photos in the pockets if you wish. Put the cut aparts over there. However you want to do it. Oh, see, doesn't that look good there? And then there's room to journal. We've already seen that one. Here's this one. This is a tuck spot up there. This would be perfect there. Again, the pocket, so you can put numerous photos in there. A tuck spot here. This one opens like that. That is open, so you can add something there. And here's the tuck spot here. We could add the guys fishing, or it can go in the pocket. So there are several photo mats there. And then when you want, you can just stand these up on the table. And then people can pick them up and take a look at the pictures, pass them around, you know, relive memories. So that was the walkthrough. We're going to get started next with what supplies you'll need and how to cut some of the paper, not all of it, because there is illustrations in the cutting guide. And then there is a playlist that has all of the other videos. All you have to do is click on the playlist and you'll see the video in sequence. So I hope you enjoyed this project. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again in the next video.